A Patriot Peacemaker by Dennis Shaw Brogan. A story about two Marines, two brothers in arms, one from Walloon Lake, Michigan, and the other from the sovereign Onondaga Nation near Syracuse, New York. It's a tale about the fight and struggles of the Six Nations of the Haudenosaunee Confederacy and the Onondaga Nation for recognition of the treaties when the United States was born, of democracy and justice for Great Turtle Island, from the 1st District Federal Court in Albany to the federal courts in Syracuse, New York, to the United States Supreme Court and the Oval Office. Seth Longfield and Jake Owltree honor their oath to their nations. Will the United States honor those first treaties with the Haudenosaunee? Will the Onondaga Nation regain some level of oversight of their ancestral lands that by treaty are theirs? Find out today. Buy the paperback book at Amazon.com or the audiobook at Audible.com.